Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes because what I'm about to show you could completely change how you create videos, how you sell online, and how you build a real spokesperson without ever being on camera starting today. Imagine this for a second. What if you could create studio quality spokesperson videos without hiring an actor, without recording your voice, without touching any editing software? Sounds impossible, right? But let me ask you something. Be honest. Why are people still creating videos the hard, expensive way? Think about what it actually takes. You have to write a script, find an actor, or get on camera yourself, book a studio, record the voiceover, edit for hours, add captions, music, and transitions, and pay for it again and again. No wonder most people give up on video, not because they don't want results, but because the process is slow, awkward, and costly. Hundreds of dollars per video, days of waiting, and cameras most people hate being in front of. And here's the frustrating part. Online, one thing sells better than anything else. A real human face talking to your audience. Spokesperson videos build trust. Trust is what converts. So the real question becomes, how do you create professional presenter videos without a camera, an actor, or editing skills? That's exactly why we built something completely different. Something smarter, something automated, something powered by AI. Introducing AI Spokesperson Video Builder. The breakthrough AI engine that turns any script into a lifelike talking spokesperson video automatically from one simple dashboard. This isn't a stiff robotic avatar tool, and it's not just another text-to-video gimmick. This is a complete spokesperson video studio. Here's what happens once you activate it. You pick a lifelike AI presenter, male or female, any style. You paste your script or let the built-in AI write it for you. Then the AI generates the full video, realistic voice, natural emotion, perfect lip sync, captions, music, and editing, everything. And it exports in HD with no watermark, ready for ads, sales pages, YouTube, or social. Which means no camera, no actor, no studio, no editing software. Just type, click, and create. And here's where it gets interesting, because now you can create videos in any language, reach global audiences, and even sell spokesperson videos to clients and businesses. One video could be a sale. 100 videos could be a real video agency. And don't worry, this was designed to be beginner-friendly. No coding, no technical skills. If you can click a few buttons, you can create a professional spokesperson video in minutes. Now here's the kicker. Most tools that do even a fraction of this charge monthly, $49, $97, even $297 per month. But today, during this launch, you can unlock AI Spokesperson Video Builder for a tiny one-time investment. No subscriptions, no recurring fees. Activate it once and create forever. And of course, you're fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you try it and decide it's not for you, just contact support and we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. So the real question is simple. Do you keep paying for actors, studios, and editors the hard way? Or do you let an AI create lifelike spokesperson videos for you in minutes? If you're ready to, create pro spokesperson videos without a camera, generate realistic voice and perfect lip sync, sell videos to clients for profit, reach audiences in any language, and finally leverage AI instead of overpaying for video, then click the button below. Activate AI Spokesperson Video Builder and let the AI create your first talking spokesperson video today. No camera, no actor, no stress, just automation.